Hello everyone, my name is Sorcha Cassidy and I am a Senior Analyst at FirstWord. I'm speaking today to Francois Pagnini, a Principal Analyst within the Syndicated Reports team, about our forthcoming report, KOL Insight, Ulcerative Colitis. So Francois, we know that the TNF inhibitors are widely used in moderate to severe UC. So how do gastroenterologists view the arrival of biosimilar TNF inhibitors?
You're absolutely right. These agents have been around for some time, and the three that are used in UC are Remicade, Humira, and Simponi. Remicade is given by intravenous infusion, whilst the other two can be given subcutaneously. The biosimilar TNF inhibitor market is experiencing significant activity. For example, in May this year, Samsung Bioepis received European Commission approval for its infliximab biosimilar Flixabi. And in April, the FDA approved Celltrion's Inflectra, a biosimilar version of Johnson & Johnson's Remicade, for all of Remicade's indications. So coming back to your question, the majority of KOLs welcome the launch of biosimilar TNF inhibitors. According to the experts, these agents are as safe and effective as the originator products, as long as they're manufactured by reputable companies. The cost reductions offered by the biosimilar TNF inhibitors will result in earlier treatment and increased access for patients.
Okay, it's very interesting. So how would these biosimilars be used, and are there concerns regarding their approvals based on extrapolated data from other indications?
Well, initially they would almost certainly only be used in new patients. The majority of KOLs continue to have doubts regarding the switching of patients from an originator TNF inhibitor to a biosimilar. They really require more switching study data in order to reassure themselves and patients that this practice can be done safely. The majority of KOLs are also against switching patients from one biosimilar to another biosimilar. So, with regards to extrapolated data, the KOLs have very few concerns and generally accept that if a biosimilar shows safety and efficacy in rheumatoid arthritis or psoriasis, then it will be the same in UC. They acknowledge that there's been a lack of IBD trials for biosimilar infliximab, but that this is largely due to rheumatology having a bigger slice of the TNF inhibitor market.
Okay, so do KOLs believe that biosimilar TNF inhibitors will be the future?
That's a really good question. We must remember that uptake will be different in different countries due to different pricing and reimbursement policies. In the US, for example, biosimilar TNF inhibitors are still unavailable. Notwithstanding KOL's favorable opinion of biosimilar TNF inhibitors, the experts stress that patient acceptance of these products will be the key to their success. The gastroenterologists believe that patients are currently nervous about these products and that educating patients on biosimilar safety and efficacy will need to be implemented.
Okay, so thank you, Francois, for your time. To everybody that's listening, please click on the links below to download some sample pages and find out more about the UC report.